Hi everyone, this is your Govindraj. Welcome to my channel. As you know, day by day the situation is getting complicated because of the extension. The employer is also worried, employee is also worried, and then HR professionals, we are discussing how to manage this situation. According to me, there are two kinds of solutions. One is the legal solutions and other one is the workable solution in discussion and consultation with the employees. At this point of time, it is also important that you take the employees into confidence and work out certain measures. But before you do, you also have to know the pulse of the employees before taking any action or consulting employees. So one of the ways for this is to conduct a small survey where you can get the pulse of the employees. In this session, in my video, we will also discuss what kind of questions to be asked intelligently, and I also have certain piece of advice for the employees. You know that the legal solution is getting day by day complicated and also getting heat up. There are views which are not so good to the employers. There are various circulars and there is a lot of confusion and ambiguity. So that's why let's keep the legal solution aside, and we will also discuss in some time the legal solutions available also, because currently the government is issuing various circulars, some of which are advisory, some of which are mandatory, and some circulars which are mandatory, they are being withdrawn. These are all happening, and also the employer is lobbying with the government, the employees and the trade union are also lobbying with the governments. Therefore, let's not talk about the legal solutions available to manage this situation. Let's see if we can work out the possible solution in consultation with the workers and the employees, and also in taking the confidence of the employees and workers. Let's proceed, friends. So, as I said, understanding the pulse of the employees is required before you take any action. There are various platforms, including SurveyMonkey, where you can activate the survey very easily, and also user friendly, mobile friendly, whatever it is. My disclaimer remains same, which you used to usually see in other presentations. Need of the hours is also remains same, because it is everybody's responsibility to curtail the spread of epidemic, whether it is employer, employees, or government, or common public. So if not, we will also lose our existence on the earth. So, it is also a question of survival of humanity. If we survive, then only business, money, everything. Therefore, every employer, small, medium, big, should take care of their part and help their employees. With this preamble, I will proceed to my session. My piece of advice to employees is they also have to be flexible and understand this situation, because this situation is very tough, and the employer is also worried. I am not denying that the employee is not worried. So the employer is also worried. So both of them have to come to a certain understanding to manage the situation. That is why I am telling that the employees also have to understand this situation and be with the employer and support the company initiatives. My piece of advice to the employees is, if employer is willing to adjust the leave and ready to pay the complete wages, then be ready to accept. If employer is willing to pay partial wages, be ready to accept. If employer is willing to continue the services on no work, no pay rule, that should also be accepted to the employees. And also be ready to accept work without an increase once the situation comes normal. And employer may require flexibility in working hours, policies, and benefits once the situation gets normal. I think it is every employee's responsibility to be flexible and accept this reality. If there is a wage settlement in operation, especially in the union situation, if employer requires the extension of the period and he is not in a position to effect any wage increase which is as part of the contract, then the employees, especially union employees, also have to be ready to accept this condition, so that the business and employments are protected. And another important factor is scaling up of efficiencies and performance, because employer will not be in a position to employ more employees. So therefore, if the employees scale up their efficiencies and performance, he can continue his business in a more economical way. and punctuality and utmost discipline will be of great support to the employer. As I said earlier, before we activate any kind of solution or any kind of measure, it is very important that the pulse of the employees should be understood by asking intelligent question. How you frame your questions or the survey is very important. As I also said, nowadays there are various platform available, which is SurveyMonkey and other platform, which are mobile friendly, user friendly, everything. So such platforms can be used to ask these questions, online surveys, and you can also send it via mobile and ask them to to take the survey. This will give you an understanding or how the employees are thinking, and also they can give you a lot of ideas and suggestions to overcome the situation. So that is why it is important that you design your survey and questions properly and activate it, so that you are ready with your measures already. When you do this, you have to give a correct and proper and intelligent preamble, because how do you make sure that your employees take the survey, because you can't make them compulsory, you can't execute it very mandatorily. So therefore your preamble should be catchy, and the employee should be able to understand the situation and voluntarily take this survey. Don't make this compulsory, and also don't ask them to give their employee ID and mobile number, employee number, whatever it is, because then they will feel it is mandatory and the employer is trying to cheat them. So don't give that. Make your preamble attractive and also convincing, so that they take the survey. And these are some of the suggested questions which I activated it and got fantastic results and lot of ideas also. It's not that I'm telling you something which I have not done it. I have already activated the survey for my employees, and I have got excellent results and also excellent cooperation. I have got lot of ideas now after this survey. You also somewhere have to give a flexibility for them to put their suggestions. That is why if you look at question number 7, to overcome this situation, do you have any suggestions to the company? So please let us know. This will give you a window for employees to put their open suggestions. And then finally, don't forget to put the disclaimer, because the moment you ask these questions, it should not give an indication that the employer is ready to give the wages. So even though the intention is to work out a possible solution, you should not directly give the indication as long as you don't have any approval from the management. That is why it is always better to give a proper disclaimer. This is the disclaimer suggested, which you can use it. And it is also better to activate the survey in the local language, which I also did it. And if any of you want the translation in Kannada, you can reach out to me, because I have activated this survey in the SurveyMonkey, and then we have got fantastic results and also great ideas to overcome. Thank you for watching my channel, friends. My channel 3LR Partner has got many videos already on labor law and labor relations topic. Continue to watch, and also if you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe for more updates on labor law and labor relations topics. Thank you, friends, and see you soon.